Welcome to EDU World Space.
Hello everyone. This is the problem based on concept of forces in equilibrium. For forces to be in equilibrium, resultant force at the given point, which is the vector addition of all forces, must be zero. Now, discussing the problem, question is saying if force on the cable AC AB or AD each cannot exceed more than 250 pounds, then how much will be the maximum weight of the carrot that we have to find? Let us start solving. This is the point A. I am marking the forces on the cable. This is the AC cable, so FAC. This is AB cable, FAB. And this is AD cable. And the weight will act here in this direction. Now we will write in vector form. The weight of the thread can be written as W minus K cap. Now we will write FAB, FAC, FAD in terms of position vector. So FAB force can be written as magnitude of this force multiplied with unit vector of AB. Now start writing it. Follow the figure. FAB. AB unit vector you may write minus 3I cap minus 6J cap plus 2K cap. This is the AB vector. To find its unit vector, we have to divide by its magnitude. So minus 3 square plus minus 6 square plus 2 square ka root. So this could be written as minus 3 by 7 FAB I cap minus 6 by 7 FAB J cap plus 2 by 7 FAB K cap. Now we have to write FAC force, which is product of magnitude of AC force into its unit vector. We will measure the unit vector. You should follow the figure. Here I am writing directly, very easy concepts. So it will be 2I cap minus 6J cap plus 3K cap divided by its magnitude 2 ka square plus minus 6 ka whole square plus 3 ka whole square. So by solving, this can be written as 2 by 7 FAC I cap. Sorry, it would be minus 6 by 7 FAC J cap plus 3 by 7 FAC K cap. Now force AD would be FAD AD cap. AD vector we will form and divide by its magnitude. it will be 0 I cap plus 3j cap plus 4k cap divided by magnitude of it 3 chi square plus 4 chi square. So we will get 0 I cap plus 3 by 5 f a d j cap plus 4 by 5 f a d k cap. Now we have to apply the condition of equilibrium. For equilibrium, summation of all the forces, that is summation of F must be 0, that is vector addition of AB force plus AC force, AD force and weight of the carrot, that must be 0. Substitute the value one by one. We can write minus 3 by 7 FAB I cap minus 6 by 7 FAB J cap plus 2 by 7 FAB K cap. Now FAC force we will substitute, that is 2 by 7 FAC I cap minus 6 by 7 FAC J cap plus 3 by 7 FAC K cap plus AD force 3 by 5 FAD J cap plus 4 by 5 FAD K cap minus weight of the body that is given to us WK cap is equal to 0. Now solve this equation, then you can write minus 3 by 7 FAB plus 2 by 7 FAC must be 0. First equation minus 6 by 7 FAB minus 6 by 7 FAC plus 3 by 5 FAD must be 0. Now this equation last, you will get 2 by 7 FAB plus 3 by 7 FAC plus 4 by 3 by 5 4 by 5 FAD minus W must be equal to 0. Now condition is given, tension in the cord not to be exceed by 250 pounds. So if we assume one of the cord FAD having 250 pounds, then by solving equations 1, 2 and 3, we will get FAB to be 70 pounds, FAC 105 pounds. So both are less than 250, and FAD already we have assume 250 pound. So the weight you will get 264. So this is the answer for this problem. Thanks for watching it.